Yeah.
The staff here are amazing, they really are.
Yeah. Wow. Great intro. So, welcome to the Lollie and Markie show. And unfortunately, this is our very last day, or last few hours. It's now just coming up to about 4:30. It's 30 degrees, and we're just in part of one of the pool bars here, where they do the entertainment just over there. So we thought now would be a perfect time to sum up our stay here at Lindos Royal. So we did 8 nights here, 31st of August. So we had the sea view room, which is literally right behind us by that palm tree on the second floor. It was all inclusive, and it's in Lindos, well, just by Lindos, a place called Banana Bay or something like that, Banana Beach.
Our beach is called Banana Beach.
Yeah.
We paid $2,400 for all inclusive. We thought we paid cheaper until we looked back. So we actually got it off Teletext Holidays. Was it worth it?
Yes, without a
Yes,
shadow
it
of a doubt.
was. Yeah, I know we've had 3 nights away, but it's been nice to come back. The views are amazing, staff are fabulous, and we think the food has been bob on. The food's lovely.
So we'll start with first impressions. First impressions of the hotel was that.
First impressions was like, oh my good God. And then you do start seeing little flaws in it. So I think we got told it was a 5-star, but Love Holidays only claimed 3.5, and I reckon Love Holidays are probably right, but only on some things. If you go to a Turkish all-inclusive and you've got food and drink everywhere, you haven't got that. And in the alcohol restaurant, you've got to buy your own alcohol. But what they do deliver here is the food in the main restaurants and the a la carte restaurants are superb, aren't they?
They're fantastic, yeah.
Really, like, we'd pay good money to actually eat out in those restaurants because the food is delicious. The faults we've found are like the tiles coming off in the pool, in some of the pools. There is a little bit of a sulphury smell by this, what's this bar called?
This is the Calypso bar.
Calypso bar. I mean, it's not mega.
It's only every now and again, I think.
But the entertainment, even though it's only like a small area for the entertainment has been top notch. And then again, I would have gone to pay to have seen the entertainment because it's really good.
Right. Say hello.
Hello there.
Yeah.
YouTubers.
YouTube. Yeah.
The staff here are amazing, they really are.
Yeah. Yeah. Honest God. So from the moment we've got in to like just now, everyone's just been so nice, so welcoming. The room was a bit odd because it's 2 floored, but look, check those vlogs out. The food has been amazing, as Lol says, so check out the vlog of all the food options because there's breakfast, lunch and tea, and there's the lunch, what's it called, snack bar. The drinks have been brilliant.
Snack bar is only quite small compared to some snack bars on all inclusive. But what you are getting is fresh produce. It's really nice and tasty.
Yeah, all freshly made. Like I said, where we're sat for the entertainment is, we've read a few comments that it's a bit squashed and all that. It is a bit small compared to like some of the other places. And on our full hotel tour, behind us, literally there, they've got a full amphitheatre, like, which is just run down, really, isn't it?
We're not sure if maybe that gets used in the height of the season. We've not got to use it yet. But there's not much seating around the entertainment area. But there's like, you've got all the beds that obviously the sun lounges that you sit on every day. You do get a lot of people just chilling and sitting on them. And there's always plenty of room. We've done it before, haven't we? And then later on, maybe when the kids' entertainment has gone off or the kids have gone to bed, there always seems to be plenty of seating for everyone. And to be honest, everyone's always up dancing and getting involved anyway. So no one sits for too long watching them anyway.
You've got so the activity pool is behind this building, and that's got all the slides and things like that. And they are And then you got this one, which is like, I don't know what you sort of pool you want. It's just a chilled out pool with a big island and the waterfall behind us. Behind there, that way we've got 2 adults only bars, like a top and then a lower one. So a bit of an infinity pool. And the lower one is surrounded by the a la carte restaurants. So absolutely breathtaking views. Go and check out those. And then above us by the pool bar is like a bit more of an activity pool where they play volleyball and that through the day. There's also right around all the ground floor rooms, virtually all of them, out of all pool access rooms, have got their own little pools. Well, it's like one strip pool and they have access to it.
We showed them on other vlogs, so if you watch them, you'll know what we mean. You'll know what we mean, sorry.
But absolutely stunning. The place is really clean.
So would you rate it?
Would I rate it? I'd rate it a good solid 8.5 out of 10.
If you're going in star ratings?
If it was star ratings, probably, I think you were right when you said, no, we've been like 5-star. Is it better than the 5-star Turkey ones that we've been to? We've done the Granada on our series in Ocula, and it was nice. But I think this is better. I think the food's a lot better here. The beach here is a bit rocky. We haven't been to that beach that much because it's a stony beach. We've been to Lindos Beach, which is the about 10-minute drive from here.
I'd say it was a tired 4-star hotel. On some aspects of the hotel, I'm going to give it 5 stars because I think the food is delicious and the staff are, and the food's 5-star, the a la carte 5-star, the staff is 5-star. Pool maintenance guy is actually 5-star. We've got a little video on him, wait till you see him, he's amazing. But I just don't think the money's being spent on like fixing. There's lots of loose tiles around the pool in some of the pools, sorry, not all of them. What else am I going to knock it down for? Okay, so the beach area, getting down to it is very rustic, but you are in Greece, so, and I think there should be like fridges of bottled water everywhere, which there's not.
There's a little tank over there.
Little tanks of water.
But that's it. But you have to fill it up, fill your cups up.
Yeah, and it's not that cold to be fair, I had some earlier. So I'm going to say, listen guys, the people at this hotel and the food are amazing. Don't let a few loose tiles put you off in the pool. I'm going to go, yeah, I'll have to stick with a 4-star hotel. Yeah.
It's a lot smaller than you think. But after a couple of days, it's all here. You can't miss it. There's plenty of seating everywhere, so you don't have to worry about that. There's some beds. I mean, this is first week of the school's holiday, school come back. The pool bar upstairs is full of wasps, massive things, and they just bob around, and that's a bit, not really sure about that. But apart from that, same as well, there's a few little nice touches they could just do, like repairing the tiles in the adult pool bar, the actual pool.
Clientele here, there's lots of English.
Yeah, lots of English.
Lots of Italian. The Italians seem to separate themselves over by the all-inclusive like pool bar, and there's a pool there as well, which is always in the sun. So there's lots around everywhere. I mean, you know, their culture's fabulous. They're so laid back and chilled and elegant and graceful, and it just seems to merge well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It seems to merge well.
Mozzie's arcade. The entertainment. What would you say the entertainment's like?
I would pay to see the entertainment we've had. We've had, there was a group on, I can't remember the name. And then we had, was it like the Drifters? 3 guys from South Africa. They're harmonising. Oh my giddy aunt, was amazing. I would have actually paid to have seen them. And then we had like 3 ladies from South Africa. Like Soul Sisters, and I can imagine them in like a gospel choir or something. Their harmony is absolutely fantastic as well. There's no entertainment here on a Saturday at all. You all have a day of rest, which is kind of unusual on an all-inclusive holiday. But yeah, entertainment. I'm gonna give it 10.
Yeah,
I enjoyed it.
yeah, I think the three divas and the three blokes, they change every week, as in the set list drifters tonight, Frankie Valli last week. The band that was on last night was the same band that was on last Sunday, and we had a firework display last night, which we weren't expecting. Fair dinkum.
Really good, wasn't it?
Yeah,
and
fantastic.
Since going home today, it just seemed to,
Yeah.
the earth moved just for us.
Yeah. But overall, Rhodes has been fantastic. We've used this as a bit of a base, but when we have been here, it's been amazing, lovely. We've had a fab room, fab view, and I say I can't disagree with Lollipop. I think it's a tired for a couple of little touches, and I think this will be a wow, wouldn't it?
100%.
So, if you haven't already,
Like, subscribe, press that little notification button, and come along with Markie himself and Lollie on our jollies, and come and enjoy our adventures. And if you would like to, you can buy us a coffee or buy us a little beverage. We'd be more than happy with that. There is a link at the bottom, guys, that you can just click onto. It's so easy, and it just helps us out immensely. So, cheers from us, or should we say Yamas?
Yamas.
And from the Royal Hotel here in Lindos, and Rhodes itself, from
the Lollie and Markie Show.